Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file company tax returns on e-filing, full guide. Start by choosing the correct company tax form and registering for the e-file system. Next, prepare documents like your EIN, balance sheet, and income statement, and ensure payroll figures match Form 941 totals. Keep a checklist for required attachments and backup files, and set reminders for deadlines to prevent late fees and missed payments. Collect all source documents and reconcile numbers before you open the e-file portal so you won't interrupt the submission flow. Export profit and loss, balance sheet, and payroll reports to accepted formats and label files clearly for easy upload. Double-check EIN, company name, and address fields to avoid rejections. Keep tax payment method ready and confirm that any estimated payments are applied correctly before finalizing the submission. If you enjoyed this guide, please subscribe and like to support more clear tax walkthroughs. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life is short, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for socks that survive filing marathons and late-night reconciliations. Comfy feet make tedious tax work easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want durable comfort. And now let's get back to the video. Access the authorized e-file portal with secure credentials and complete the required company tax form step by step using built-in validation to catch errors. Upload supporting documents where prompted and review each section before advancing. Choose your payment method and schedule any balance due to process immediately to avoid penalties. After submission, download and store the confirmation receipt and tracking number in your records for future reference and audit readiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.